Kani kadega batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kajinyalang jongka kanhun ki Menteri Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hagajan miet singin kong jongka tayo ka arpo tarik ukalalangkot arjar arpo. Kalashimi karai bon Pynhiar no ia ka load shedding na ka Kynta sya ka arganta Mynmiet. Ia ka nila ya tu Menteri Rangba ka Jalau Konrad K. Sangma hadian balawai kajinyalang jongki Cabinet Minister. Hoid wala gani kajinyalang ka longkerpang ban jurip ia kajing ai jingmut jongka Advisory Committee halor ki nong Menteri Sarkar ki bala sya jiet ban yok pediang khusnam. Ia ka ba on sapan bena ha ka singi rakhi jongka Meghalaya de kata ka arpoi tarik ukalal kot arjar arpo la shimru ia ka rai ban penrit shushu ia ka Kynta outboarding hadien ka jinge keren peliu jengmut bat ki weide ki snat trekam Sarkar. Ha ka bay day pat bat ka mat jongka jingduna ban penmi boarding electric hapo jella u Menteri Rangba Konrad Sangma ula ong ba ka Sarkar hi ka yai wat ia ki lat gelenti ban yale ban pendap penbiang ia ka boarding electric na benta ki nong snong ka jella bat ka wei na kita ka long ban penonkam da ki solar system.
As I was mentioning to you last time that the major issue that the state faces, of course, apart from the fact that there's an issue of also the production or the generation, is the AT&C losses that we have. In this situation, we have started the process of getting a number of smart meters done, and I think I had mentioned this to you last time. And this smart metering will allow us to really monitor the different consumptions and patterns that are taking place, and that will allow us to reduce the losses. There's a transmission and commercial losses that are there, and this we are also planning to expand in a manner so that we can cover all the approximately 450,000 consumers in the state as a whole, and this will be one of the major steps that we're taking. Apart from that, I think you already also know that we are taking a number of steps to ensure that renewable energy is being used at different government offices. We have recently cleared a project for about 121 different government offices which will have the facility of solar energy, along with that the provision for net metering, which will allow the power to go back into the grid. I'm also happy to inform you that the first building to become and to be on the net metering system along with the solar energy is going to be the Chief Minister's bungalow itself. The solar panels have been fitted, and currently we are producing almost close to 50 kilowatt hours a day from this energy in the Chief Minister's bungalow. And this energy, once the net metering takes place, energy will go back into the grid, and whatever I use from the grid will then be netted, and whatever is additional is only the amount that we'll be paying. So this is a system that we want to put up in almost all the government offices. Even the secretariat will be in that system, and as many government offices as we can get will come into this. I even urge the public also that that they should go for this kind of a system where on holidays or sometime when they're not in the house, the entire power then can go back into the grid. So it's a very economical system also, and I think it will lead to benefit for individuals. Apart from that, of course, there are many power projects that are there. There have been a number of reviews that have taken place to ensure that power projects moved. As you're aware that a number of projects have been stuck because of different reasons like land acquisition, delay in the DPRs that have to be made, delay in the transmission lines that have to be put up. So different challenges have been there in different projects, but we've been taking a number of reviews to ensure that these projects move forward. Currently, approximately close to 16 projects are there that are online, and we do expect about close to almost 1500 megawatts of projects. 1600 megawatts of projects are on different stages. Out of that, thermal is about 740, and hydro is about 801, and renewable energy about 96 megawatts is what is in the pipeline in different stages. So these are the few measures. These are not some things that will happen, of course, in one night. Or in a day's time. It takes time, but we're trying to do whatever we can to give immediate relief to the people. And as I said, I'm happy to inform our citizens that we have managed to find a solution and to reduce the load shedding to 2 hours in a day.